Hi, it's Jason from Fine & Country in Bideford, and welcome to East Sessacott Farm, a sprawling lifestyle opportunity with 4 acres of land, period main farm building, subsequent piggery, creating a 2-bedroom separate residential home and multiple outbuildings as well. So come on, let's take a look. So I'm standing in the kitchen area of the main house, which dates back to the 1700s, and as you can see, it has been completely renovated throughout to the highest specification. We have limestone floors, lovely breakfast bar area, you've got Belfast sinks, utility spaces, you've got the SA range cooker which controls the hot water. The specification is high throughout, and there are a number of high-tech features, including a heat recovery system, completely reworked electrics, alarm systems and plumbing. And how's this for a little bit of luxury when you're choosing to move to North Devon? You've got your hot tub area, you've got your sit back relaxing area, you've got your al fresco dining area, and you've got your barbecue area as well, all set underneath the stars in beautiful rolling countryside. So included in this property are 3 substantial barns, one of which is the main garage in area. The main barn includes a gym, it includes 2 workshops and an office area, and this area here behind me is used to house the livestock, and the llamas in this case. In addition to the main property, the piggery is a self-contained separate dwelling which is currently used as a full-time residential house. The property could also be used as an ideal holiday let on site, and it also has its own garden area. Whether it's a substantial rural retreat, multi-generational property, work from home facilities and potential smallholding or equestrian use, this is an ideal property for you. If you think that's the case and you'd like to know more, give us a call today on 01237 426 018. Thank you.